Does one need to attend university to be rich? This question, a provocative one indeed, challenges the traditional path of formal education that society has long held as the golden road to success. But has the time come to rethink this notion? Jim Rohn, a renowned entrepreneur and motivational speaker, once said, "Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune." This quote is an apt reflection of the changing landscape of success and wealth creation today. In the past, the recipe for success was simple: go to school, get good grades, and land a secure job. But that's no longer the case. The world today is full of examples of individuals who have achieved immense success and wealth without the traditional university degree. Now, there's no denying the benefits of formal education. It can provide a solid foundation of knowledge, skills, and qualifications that can open doors to lucrative careers. It also offers a structured learning environment and the opportunity to network with like-minded individuals. However, a university degree isn't synonymous with success, especially if you're looking to become an entrepreneur. On the other hand, self-education, particularly in financial literacy, is paramount for financial success. It equips you with the knowledge to manage and grow your wealth effectively, something that formal education often overlooks. Contrary to what many believe, studying administration, economics, finance, or even earning an MBA doesn't equate to financial education. Even Ivy League institutions like Harvard, Stanford, or Wharton don't necessarily provide financial education. The traditional education system, unfortunately, primarily teaches you to work for money, which is where the problem lies. And the advice of go to school, get a job, work hard, pay off your debt, and save money is essentially a path to financial struggle. It's a cycle of acquiring student debt, working for a salary that's heavily taxed, making your boss rich, and becoming poorer each year due to inflation. Then, after a lifetime of hard work, you retire with a diminished income. Clearly, that isn't financial education. So what then is financial education? It's about flipping the traditional advice on its head. Don't seek employment, create jobs, don't work for money, work for assets, don't shy away from debt, learn to leverage it to build wealth. Don't chase earned income that's heavily taxed. Aim for passive income and portfolio income that's taxed less. Don't park your money in a savings account. Keep it moving from one asset to another. The question then arises, why doesn't any university in the world teach financial education? The answer lies in the fact that our education system was designed in a different era, with different economic realities. It's high time we recognize the importance of financial education and self-education. It's time to challenge the status quo and seek out knowledge that truly leads to financial success. So no, you don't need to attend university to be rich, but you do need to educate yourself, particularly in financial matters. And if you're considering entrepreneurship, remember it's not about the degree you have, it's about the knowledge you possess, the skills you've honed, and the passion you bring to your venture. In the end, the choice is yours. Will you follow the traditional path or carve your own? One thing's for sure, the pursuit of knowledge, whether through formal education or self-education, is a journey that never ends, and it's a journey well worth undertaking.